Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm so glad you've joined me today for another linguistic adventure. Today, our word of the day is cap. Cap is a B1 level noun, and it means a hat or cover. That's right, cap, like the thing you might wear on your head to protect you from the sun or to keep warm. It's a very common word, and you probably use it quite often. A cap is generally a soft, often close-fitting head covering, usually with a visor. You might think of a baseball cap, that's a common type of cap. Let's explore how we can use this word. Let's think about some synonyms for cap. We could use the word hat, which is very similar. For example, I love your hat. It really suits you. Another word could be beanie. She wears a beanie when it's cold outside. Both hat and beanie are often interchangeable with cap, although beanie usually refers to a soft, close-fitting cap without a brim. Now, what about antonyms? What are words that have the opposite meaning to cap? That's a little tricky when we talk about clothing. Let's consider things that are not on your head. So, we could use the word shoe. These shoes are very comfortable. Another one could be scarf. I wrap the scarf around my neck to keep warm. Shoe and scarf are clothing items, but they are not head coverings, so they provide a sense of the opposite. How can we use cap in everyday life? Well, you might say, I'm going to put on my cap before I go out, or can you pass me my baseball cap? You might hear someone say, he earned his doctor's cap after years of study. Cap can also refer to a lid or cover on something, like put the cap back on the bottle. So you can see it's used in several ways. Here are some more usage examples. The sun is very bright today. I will need my cap. He always wears his favorite blue cap when he goes fishing. She accidentally dropped the cap of the pen. And the bottle has a red cap. So to recap, today we've explored the word cap, a B1 level noun meaning a hat or cover. We looked at synonyms like hat and beanie, and we considered antonyms like shoe and scarf. We've seen it used in everyday situations, from wearing one for sun protection to describing the lid on a bottle. It's an everyday word that you likely use a lot. Thank you so much for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you enjoyed our exploration of the word cap. If you did enjoy the podcast, please subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. It really helps others find our show if you leave us a review, so please consider doing that too. And for a little homework, I want to challenge you, our listeners, to create your own sentence using the word cap and share it as a comment under the video. Let's see what creative ways you can use this common word. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.